As a kid, I remember my grandma babysitting me, and she would take me through the flower gardens, and she would tell me about each of the flowers. Little did I know that those flowers would have a story of their own. You see, every flower she passed to my mom, and then my mom passed to me through generations. So I'm going to show you a flower garden that belongs to my whole family and why it is so very, very important to us. As you can see, these here are hollyhocks, old school flowers, the big bunches, hollyhocks, and poppies, and then there's daylilies, tiger lilies, and these here my mom calls 4 o'clocks, and then we have irises. They're done blooming. But all these plants, so my mom can have her garden, except for that one. I bought that one for her. It looks like a jungle, but it's beautiful. They come back every year, and my mom can come out and see the flowers that were her mom's, that were hers, and that are mine, and we share them together. And there she is. Hi, Mama. I was just telling them about all your flowers that we brought here.
Okay.
Yeah.